Hello friends, welcome to Grammar Fun is Fast. Today we are going to look at I sound. Guys, have you seen this sound before? Alright, remember that this is your E and this is your A. Then when they come together, they will not answer different names. They will answer one name, which is I. Repeat after me. I. Again. I. Okay, let's look at the words that have this I sound. Look at this. D. I. Die. Repeat after me. D. I. Die. Your turn. Good. D. I. D. Died. Alright, you have other words like tie. T. I. Tie. P. I. Pie. And so on. Alright, this is also what? I sound. Repeat after me. I sound. Okay, let's look at the words that have this I sound. I will say and you will say, okay? Kite. Kite. Your turn. Good. Like. Like. Your turn. Good. Fine. Good. This is also I sound. Can I hear you say that? I sound. Again. I sound. Let's look at some words that have this I sound. Now try it. Try and pronounce it. Did you get it? Sigh. Your turn. Good. Sight. Again. Alright. Now when you see your bum and your together sounds brrr. Together sounds what? Can I hear you say brrr? Good. Bright. Bright. Good. Night. Your turn. Now look at this. When you see letter K before N, this letter K becomes silent. You don't pronounce it. But when you're spelling, you will spell it. So when letter K, when your K comes before N, the K becomes silent. Okay? So let's pronounce this together. Night. Alright. Tie. Your turn. Okay, let's say it one more time. I, tie. This letter Y also sounds as I in short words. We have this I, my. Your turn. I, why. Right. You are going to write these. I'm going to say now, okay? Hope with your paper and your pen. Okay, try to follow the sound. All right. Dr, I, try. Dr, I, try. Fr, I, fry. All right. We have come to the end of the lesson today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.